In this video, I will show you how to use Twitter X to promote your affiliate links and earn money daily just by using free traffic. No website, no investments. All you need to do is you just need to watch this video until the end so you can understand how this business works and how you can start promoting your affiliate links using Twitter and earn commissions. I made $9,637 in commission just in 17 days from the first day of December, okay, until the day 17 over here. Let's click on update, and here you go. The numbers are still the same numbers. It's not screenshot. This is my affiliate account dashboard, and in my balance over here I have 9,637. I made this commission just by using free traffic, and I will share with you guys my method with Twitter X. Okay, so let's get started. So for people who want to start making commissions like this using free traffic and start affiliate marketing, step number one, you need to create an affiliate account like this one. Okay, so what you will do is you need to go to Google and search for Fiverr, search for this website. Okay, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. So you just need to come to this page and scroll down. So just keep scrolling down and go to company and click over here on affiliate. And here you go, you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, you guys can check this website. You can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliate. They are really paying good commissions, and from my experience, this is the best affiliate marketing business that you can start. So just click here on join now, and here you go, you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. All you have to do, you just need to put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, and account type. Make it private. Scroll down. Do you have a main source of traffic? If you have a website, you can say yes. If you don't have, you can say no. Okay, and I will explain this. So for people who will ask why it's showing 0 in your impressions, because I don't have any website. Okay, so if you put your website here, if you say yes, and if you put your website link here, Fiverr will start showing you impressions about your website. Okay, so if you don't have any website like me, you can choose no. Scroll down, choose your country, and choose your language. Okay, if you have a Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine, just click on next, and that's it. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate. So this will be your Fiverr affiliate account dashboard. Okay, so what you will do next is you need to choose good services that you will promote on Twitter X to start making commissions. Okay, and they will share with you which service you should start promoting on Twitter X. Okay, so here is what you will do. You will go back to your home page on Fiverr like this and click on the search and search for logo design. It's already popular right now on Fiverr. You guys can see. Let's search for logo design. I want you to pay close attention in this step. You will find a lot of sellers here who are providing this service. So what you need to do next is you need to choose good sellers, like top rated sellers, pro sellers, level 1 seller, level 2 sellers, sellers who has a lot of reviews. Why? Because those people who will click on your affiliate link, they will check the profile of those sellers. They will check the reviews of those sellers. If those sellers that you are choosing are good sellers, those people will buy this service from you, and you will earn commission. So for example, I'm gonna choose, let's choose one of those sellers. For example, let me see, we have, let's say for example like this one. This one is providing fast delivery, which is really good. Can make a logo just in 12 hours. That's really good. Top rated seller. I will click on his service like this, and here you go, you will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. This seller is top rated seller. You guys can see how many reviews, a lot of reviews, 1,000 of reviews, a lot of orders in queue, 18 orders in queue, which is really good. So what you will do next, you will copy this seller profile link. Copy this seller profile link, go back to your Fiverr affiliate account and click over here. You have dashboard, marketing tools, reports, payments, and so on. Click on marketing tools and click on default and deep links, and you will be directly in this page. Click over here and put this seller profile link here and just click over here, just click here, okay? And here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. What you will do next, you just need to promote this affiliate link on Twitter, okay? So let's go to Twitter. Go and open your Twitter account. You guys have Twitter, it's for free. You can create your account just by using your email address on X Twitter, okay? This will be your home page. You just need to click here on the search and search for I need logo. Search for this keyword. I need logo, okay? Pay close attention. Scroll down and here you go. You will find a lot of people here searching for logo designer like this one. I need logo. You see, if we scroll down, here is another person. I need an animator who can animate logo into a video intro for me. Here is another person searching for logo designer. I need logo designer. Here is another person just posted this tweet just today. You guys can see. I need logo designer. So for example, I will choose this person who is searching for logo designer. I will click here on reply over here. I will click on reply and I will create a professional and a good short message, and I will send it to this person with my affiliate link. So what I will do, I will use ChatGPT. I will go to ChatGPT. You guys just need to go to Google, search for ChatGPT. AI will help you a lot to create a good message, and I will ask him create a short. I want to I need to make this message just a short message. You don't need to make this message too much long. Create a short professional message that I can send to people on X, Twitter, who search for logo, okay, who search for logo designer to buy my logo design service from my website. Okay, let's check, and here you go. You will get good and professional message. You guys can see. I noticed you are looking for logo designer. I offer professional custom logo design services related to your brand. Check out my portfolio and pricing here. Let me know if I can help you bring your vision to life. A good professional message. Copy this message. Go back to Twitter. Put this message here. You need to put, let me show you. You need to put your affiliate link here. Okay, you can see this. So we need to put our affiliate link here. Okay, so what you need to do next, you need to go back to your Fiverr affiliate account and scroll down. Go over here to logo maker. We are promoting logo design services. Niche is design. So what you will do, you will copy this link from here. This is your affiliate link, logo design link. Okay, logo design affiliate link. This is your logo design affiliate link. Just click here and you will copy your affiliate link. And this affiliate link is too much long. I will make it short link. So I will go to bit.ly and I will use bit.ly to make my affiliate link short link. It's for free, guys. You can use it. Click on create your link and here you go. You will get a short affiliate link. I will copy this affiliate link. I will go back to Twitter and I will put this affiliate link here. Paste, okay, like this. Okay, you see, and here you go. You just put and you just create it, and you just put your affiliate link on Twitter. It's super easy with a professional message. This is your website, and that's it. Okay, so what you will do next, you just need to click on reply. Okay, and your message will be sent to this person with your affiliate link. And here you go, you guys can see your message will be sent to this person like this. Okay, so if this person is still searching for logo designer, if he click on your affiliate link, for example like this, he will be directly in this seller profile page on Fiverr. And if he click on continue, buy logo design for his business, you will earn commission, and you will earn $30 for the first order. Okay, let me show you. If we go back to this Fiverr affiliate account, and if we scroll down, you guys can see that logo maker, you will get $30 for first order. Okay, and if this person will keep buying more logo design or any service on Fiverr, he will keep making commissions for the next 12 months. Okay, 10% revenue share for each purchase the buyers make in the next 12 months. So if you got just three customers, it's almost $100 per day, and you have a lot of people searching for logo design, logo designer on Twitter. You guys can see, I need logo designer. Scroll down. I need logo designer. They just posted those posts on Twitter searching for logo designer. I need somebody who can make a business logo. I'm sure I could get the AI route that I'd rather it to be a little more personal. This person searching for logo design for his business. Let's scroll down. I need logo. Here is another person. I need logo designer. I still need a logo made. You have a lot. You have a lot of those people are your customers. I need logo made for X, and you have more. Okay, so that's it. This is how you can make your first commissions with affiliate marketing using free traffic from Twitter, from X or Twitter, and that's it. Okay, I need logo designer. I need logo designer. I need logo designer. Look how many people are searching for logo designer. So you guys can make your first commissions using this method. This is exactly the method that I used when I started, and this is exactly how I started making commissions. Okay, so now I'm using YouTube, I'm using Pinterest, I'm using Facebook groups, and so much more to promote my affiliate links and earn a lot, over $10,000 every single month with affiliate marketing using organic free traffic from social media. Okay, and that's it. For people who are asking, do you have any affiliate marketing course? Yes, I do. If you guys want to get more details, more information about this business, my experience, my skills, and so much more, you guys can reach out to me in my email address. I will put my email in my description, and I will get back to you. If you are serious and you want to take the business seriously, and you want to make some serious money every single month, you are welcome. You can reach out to me, and also you can try this method that I shared with you. This free method is working, and you guys know that it's working because I shared with you which service you can promote, and I shared with you how you can find people who are searching for this service. So what's left is your work. Well, that's it. What maybe what's left is I need to do it for you. You just need to go and start promoting those services on X Twitter. Okay, you need to learn marketing and learn how to sell, how to convince people, how to talk with customers, and you can use free traffic. You don't need to invest any money in paid ads. Thank you so much for watching again, and if you have any question, please just leave it in the comments. Let me know what's your problem. What if you have any problems with this business? Let me know in the comments so I can make a video and answer all your question and show you exactly more methods, more strategies to scale your affiliate marketing business. See you in my next videos.